On 11th of February, Maharashtra had 36,917 cases. Today, there are more than a lakh active cases. Punjab had 2,100. Today, Punjab is touching 9,400. And similarly, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Haryana are the states which we think are at a tipping point. They have still yet to decline into a surge. However, looking at early signs of increase in numbers, we have had 3 meetings at the level of the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, at the level of the Cabinet Secretary, and at the level of Principal Secretary to Honorable PM, where the states have been told that they need to pull up their socks, increase the number of tests, increase surveillance, increase containment areas. Basically, whatever we have been doing so far, so it is more of the same, but more of the same in a more efficient manner. So that is our message to the states.
We are very worried about Maharashtra. Across several districts of Maharashtra, you saw their names. And as we came in, we learned that there is a strict lockdown being imposed in Nagpur in particular. So we are reaching a situation where those approaches are being brought back. It's a very serious matter. It has 2 lessons for us. One, don't take the virus for granted. It can, it can come up unexpectedly. It can come up when its own dynamics, part of which we don't know, favor the virus. And it also tells us that if we have to remain free of this virus with time, it is very important that all our armamentarium, COVID-appropriate behavior, containment strategy, readiness from the health system point of view, our facilities, and so on and so forth, as well as vaccination today, has to be brought into facing this pandemic and the virus in full blast.